you get more wrinkles if you don't get good sleep. You know, wrinkles is big business out there.
Sure.
So,
All the
you know,
ladies who are
there you go. Yep. So, you know, from that point of view, you know, sleep does affect it, and it doesn't take long. So if, you know, from that point of view, it goes into great detail. It talks about mental health and gut health. So, you know, people are talking about gut bacteria these days. People that snore actually have a tendency towards getting bad gut bacteria because of the changes in the oxygen levels that come with it.